Good day, bearded adventurers. It is I, the Wizard of Fable Beard Company, and today we are going to talk all about the Scent of the Month subscription for March, the Giant. May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door. Welcome back to another video. My name is Colin Gray from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for storytelling, beards, tips, tricks, and adventure, look no further. Hit that subscribe button right now, as well as liking the video and leaving a comment down in the comment section below, because we love engaging with each and every one of you. Today's video is going to be all about our Scent of the Month subscription for the month of March. Today is the 26th of February, and that means we are moving over into the March Scent of the Month for the Fable Army subscription. Now, if you're not familiar with the Fable Army subscription, it is a subscription service where you can sign up to get exclusive beard oils, balms, butters, colognes, deodorants every single month that are limited to the nature of they were created by other customers like you. And we have our create your own character custom experience, and with that experience you get to create a character in your own likeness with your picture and ideas and scent profiles and all sorts of cool stuff like that, and then we release them to the public in the Scent of the Month subscription kit, and you can only get them for that month and then they're gone forever. People love collecting these things. They love giving a new scent every month and seeing what the community is creating, so we created that experience for you guys, and that is essentially our Scent of the Month. Now, how it works is on the 26th of every month, we switch over to a new month. So if you order between the 1st and the 25th, you're going to get a new scent every single month. And then on the 26th, that new character comes out and we start shipping things out. You get your order. It goes into our normal order fulfillment status. So if you place your order, normally 1 to 2 days, that goes ahead and ships out for that new character. But yeah, that's essentially the Scent of the Month. It's an awesome experience. It's a lot of fun and super, super creative. So this month we have the Giant. Now the Giant is a tree man, so to speak, a blend, kind of similar to things like Lord of the Rings, and definitely very strong in the fantasy genre. It's very green, it's very earthy, it's very vibrant, and it's a very cool custom character. So we decided to release that for the month of March to follow along the lines with things like the Leprechaun and the Irishman and things of that nature that we have going on at Fable. Now the Giant is described as forest mastery. It is going to be a wonderful blended scent of woods and earthy hardiness that makes up the Giant. It's very unique. It's something that we really haven't done before, and I think you guys are really going to love that scent description. It's very hardy, it's very earthy, it's very robust in the nature of an earthy, woodsy smell, and I really feel like it fits very well for the Giant. Now, if you're interested in getting the Giant, you can click on the link down below, and that will take you to our Fable Army subscription. Now, we have something very special for you guys that we have not done before, and if you're not a Fable Army subscriber, or if you even are a current Army subscriber, we have something special for you just for the month of March. Starting today, every single person who is subscribed to the Scent of the Month for the month of March will get a limited edition exclusive beard oil, the Pot of Gold. Now, the Pot of Gold is definitely in lines with the theme of March and the Irish and all of those sort of things. It follows the Leprechaun. It's his Pot of Gold, and this scent can only be obtained by being subscribed to our monthly subscription. You're not going to be able to find it anywhere else. We're going to only do it for the month of March, and then it will be gone forever. But it's our special gift to you guys for being a subscriber for the month of March. The Pot of Gold is featuring a rainbow treasure scent profile. It's very similar in nature to the Leprechaun with the fresh Irish mist and clovers, but it's also got a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of softness there at the end, kind of airy, for a sweet version of Irish spring, so to speak. It's very, very nice, and you can only get this exclusively by being a subscriber for the month of March to the Fable Army subscription. Once again, my name is the Wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. Please consider subscribing to the month of March and gaining that exclusive beard oil, the Pot of Gold. We are excited to share all these with you guys, and it is a really wonderful, awesome experience. As always, you can click that button in the top right-hand corner, and that will take you to a playlist of all of our other beard-related videos. As always, until next time, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.